Hello, my friends. Today I start a series in which I will work on the old pages of art journals. I will be improving them, maybe not such much as creating new works on them. Art journal is for me such a sketch for my future large format paintings. I create it without plan, intuitively, and it's abstract. I refer to elements of nature, but I don't reproduce them realistically. In my art, I use watercolor paints and crayon and as well watercolor pens and white gel pens. That is why I enjoy using all the drawing and painting tools commonly called here mixed media. On this page, I also use stencil and enjoy freedom that creating art journal gives to me. The work never ends. Paper is a very patient material and it's not as demanding as the canvas because we can always return to the unfinished work and continue our artistic journey. I will also be extremely pleased if you subscribe to my channel because then you will not miss next attempts and struggle to create new pages. I encourage you to leave me a comment which work you like more, whether the first one or the work that has been created as the new one. Till next meeting, Agnieszka Opala.